Hi everyone, I am back in what feels like forever. Even though I uploaded a video last week, I don't know why it feels like so long since I've sat down to do this. I think it might be because I have finally kind of passed this feeling of dread and art block and uninspiration that I've been feeling lately. I've talked about it in my last couple of videos, but I think I've finally gotten over it, and the reasons why are many. There are many reasons. I can make a whole video on it. But today I just wanted to update you on my life and my art. As you can see, I'm very aggressively painting over this commission that I had done, and the reason why is because I hated it. Just to be quite honest. I'm usually pretty positive about my artwork, but that one, I just didn't have a plan going into it. And the person who commissioned it gave me total creative liberty, which is so sweet, and it's something I actually really do appreciate. But I think in a way, I just put more pressure on myself to kind of create something, create something crazy, and it just didn't work out. It was so stiff. And I still haven't finished it yet. I'm still going to modify bits and pieces, but I don't know. I think I was more true to myself and my style in this, and I did it at my own pace, and after repainting it, I just feel happier with it. If you hear little noises in the background, my dog is like snuffling around and she will not stop no matter what I do. So anyways, actually, let me just talk about this for a second. Doing commissions is something I never thought I would be able to do. I never thought people would trust me with their art or their money in creating art, and it's just anybody who takes a chance on me, like I just am so appreciative of that, because I'm still learning, and I put a lot of pressure on myself when it comes to recreating an image of something that someone has given me. So it's for that reason that I have actually decided to close commissions. I'd still love to sell my artwork, but I'd like to focus on creating pieces that, I kind of speak to or whatever, or that speak to me, if that's what it is. So I'm finishing up the ones that I've already agreed to do, and I'm also moving, and it's kind of crazy. It's the biggest move I've ever done because it's permanent. And it's next week. And I'm very, very excited because I'll have complete creative freedom over where I'm living, and I'll be able to kind of put more time into my artwork after work and everything like that. And I'm really, really excited for it. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to paint as much as I can whenever I want. Big paintings, little paintings, and I'm going to post them on my Instagram. And if you see one you like, then you can just DM me and I will send it to you. I'll just sell it to you. I think it'll be more fun that way because I'll be able to paint what I want and what I think is bettering me as an artist. And when I don't have that pressure on me to sell, then I create better pieces, Next week I'm going to be doing some eye studies, by the way. So please send them to me on Instagram or email them to me. I've taken off, I used to put the only business or collaboration inquiries to my email or whatever, but I'm taking that off. You can email me if you want to. I'm definitely better at responding on Instagram, but if you don't have an Instagram or you don't want to make one, you can just email me questions or pictures that you would be okay with me painting and selling. I don't know. I feel like it's the dawn of a new day. And I'm really excited to start this kind of next chapter of my art in just bettering myself. Lately, I've been really only painting studies. Actually, pretty much this whole year, I've really been only painting studies and commissions and painting photos of photos that I find on the internet. So I'm excited to take my own reference photos and to create my own pieces that I think I can really put a piece of my soul into, because that's what art is to me. And I think in doing so, I'll be able to share that with you better. Also, if you ever see a piece of artwork that you like on my account and you can't afford the full piece, which I completely understand, you can feel free to just message me and we can set up like prints or something. I don't know. I'm definitely not like famous or anything. I'm not gonna like launch a whole store with prints. It's just not, it doesn't make sense because I just don't have that kind of following, I guess. But I don't know. This is kind of a rambly little vlog, and I know I didn't really talk much about what I'm doing in it. Right now I'm packing up my notebooks. I ended up moving this to a bigger box because, I don't know how I'm going to pack all my stuff up. It's going to be a busy week, but I will check in with you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of ramble, and you can watch this little bee take off. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.